Hello, welcome to this course. In this course, I'm going to be talking about solo ads, which in my opinion is one of the fastest ways to build your list. And if you're starting out and you got a small budget, that works fine as well, because you could start from as little as $10 to $20 and eventually work yourself up to spending hundreds of dollars per day or week on solo ads. But if you're just starting out and you got low budget, you just spend a few dollars here and there to gradually build your list. And as you grow your income, you can just basically leverage or bootstrap and just invest more into buying more solo ads. Okay, so in the next few videos, I'm going to be sharing with you where to find solo ad vendors for both the internet marketing niche and also in niches outside of the internet marketing niche. And I'll also provide with you in the last video ways on how to get the most out of your solo ads. In this video, I just want to talk about what solo ads are. Solo ads are an agreement between two people. Let's just call them, for this example, person A and person B. Person B would be paying person A to send out an offer to their subscribers. Now, usually this offer that they send out is free, although sometimes, solo ad vendors will send out paid offers or even affiliate offers, but usually it is for a free offer. Okay, and person B will be paying person A based on the number of clicks that person A can provide. Usually, it could range anywhere from 50 clicks to over 1,000 clicks. In this video, I want to talk about how to find solo ads for where you can buy and sell outside solo ads if you are in the internet marketing, because it is harder to find. And this site is people to buy solo ads from if you're outside of the internet marketing niche. So one of the best ways to do it is just go to Google and type in your niche ad swaps. Plus, what I like about this site, for example, is that you want to buy a solo ad in the golfing niche. Remember, so if you had a bad experience, you could pre-report, mark it as a bad, or mark it as a poor experience, link here, type in comments and type about your experience with that member. And there's also a forum on here if you want to share tips. Okay, and down here it says, and they also have free report now. Good. So basically, the reason you're doing this, so like I said, this is predominantly free report internet marketing. You know that you're going to find people slowly starting to tailor giving away something other to build, but for right now, it's mainly. So as you can see, this guy here has an opt-in form. Okay, so this is one of the best ways to find solo ads. I want to share with you a resource to buy solo ads where you can buy and sell niches outside of ads. If you are in the internet marketing, you may and this site is dig a little harder than .com. Internet marketing niche, meaning safe. You will have to try several times. You'll have to contact and on this site people. You could also do to find swaps. Okay, what I like about this site that are willing to buy or sell that you solo ads rate to you each member. Some of these people had a bad experience, may not know what a solo ad is, so you may have to explain to them that you want to pay them, mark it as a poor experience, and you also to send them comments and type about your experience, their list. And if you want to contact them, there's usually a contact. There's also a forum on here if someone share tips or at the bottom questions, and they also have very good. Now, other ways you can find solo ads. So, like I said, this is predominantly for by going internet marketing ClickBank. They are slowly starting to tailor towards other niches. But for right now, in the marketplace, but just go to clickbank.com. Okay, and you would just just click on marketplace link. In this video, I want to share with you a resource, find products where you can just type in your niche. So golfing, I would just type in golf, for example. And this site is SafeSwap 249 results. You just type in safe/swaps.com. And on this site, you can find solo ads, ad swaps, or by just going to what I like about this site form is that you can rate each member. So if you had a bad experience, you saying that you want to buy mark it as a bad or mark it as a poor experience, and you also. In this video, I want to talk about how to find solo ads in other niches outside of the internet marketing niche, because it is harder to find people to buy solo ads from if you're outside of the internet marketing niche. So one of the best ways to do it is just go to Google and type in your niche plus free report. For example, if you want to buy a solo ad in the golfing niche, you would just type in, say, golf free report, and I'll just go on the first link here. Okay, and down here it says get free report now. So basically the reason you're doing this, if you type in free report, you know that you're going to find people that are giving away something to build a list. So as you can see, this guy here has an opt-in form. Okay, so this is one of the best ways to find solo ad or people that are you can possibly buy solo ads from in niches outside of the internet marketing niche. Now, you may have to dig a little harder than internet marketing niche, meaning that you will have to try several times. You'll have to contact a lot of people to find people that are willing to buy or sell solo ads to you. And some of these people may not know what a solo ad is, so you may have to explain to them that you want to pay them to send an offer to their list. And if you want to contact them, there's usually a contact button somewhere at the bottom of their websites. Now, other ways you can find solo ads in other niches is by going to ClickBank right here. I've already in the marketplace, but just go to clickbank.com, okay, and you would just click on marketplace link, and so basically you would just go to find products and just type in your niche. So golfing, I would just type in golf, for example, and I have about 249 results here. So, and lastly, another place you can find solo ads are by just going to the warrior form and just posting an ad in there saying that you want to buy solo ads. Now that you know where to find solo ad sources, let me just share with you a couple of tips on how to get the most out of your solo ads. Okay. Now, first tip is to try to make the solo ad vendor work for your clicks without them knowing. And so, for example, what I mean by that is on the swipe that I give to the solo ad vendor that they're gonna email to their list, I would type in, instead of saying click here or click here to get your free report or free product, I would, instead of saying click here, I would say the words opt in here to get your free report, or opt in here and find out how. Okay, because what you're doing by that is by doing that is that you're eliminating people that just think they're getting something free. Okay, people that are going to click on your link know that they have to opt in. So basically, you're getting more value out of your clicks by getting people that know that they have to opt into something. Because if people, there's people out there that'll see the words click here just to get your free thing, and they think that they're just going to be led to a download page. So if they click and they're brought to your opt-in page, they might not opt in. So that's a wasted click right there. Okay, so by doing this, you're getting more value out of your clicks by getting people that understand that they have to opt in to get your free product. The second tip that I'd like to share with you is when you first buy a solo ad from somebody, make sure that you only buy a small amount from them. For example, if they're offering 100 clicks to 1,000 clicks, make sure you buy the option that is just for 100 clicks or even 50 clicks and see how that goes. And if you're happy with the results, you can buy from them a month from now and start buying from them every month. Or you could even wait a little longer than a month to buy from them, just so you give them enough time to get new subscribers to their list.